Something major just happened. If you are watching before June 28th, make sure to listen up and stop what you're doing because this is an important video. Yes, guys, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum price prediction as well as Bitcoin's price prediction. I will also be doing technical analysis on each crypto coin. With that said, if you haven't checked out my previous video, I talked about Ethereum and Bitcoin yesterday. So go make sure to pause this video, go check it out, and you will understand everything. With that said, this is DC trading. If you love crypto and you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe. Right now it is currently June 26th, 7:50 a.m. And we can clearly see right now, guys, on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, it closed above this green line, which is a key resistance for Ethereum. As I said previously, we did create an inverse head and shoulders, which is a good sign for a short-term bull run. What do I mean by short-term bull run? Well, I said if it breaks through this, there is a possibility that we can break through all the way up to the 1500 price range. Yes, guys. So, as you can see, this inverse head and shoulders was created, and now this inverse head and shoulders is showing us a short-term bull run, which we have a little over 6 hours left before the weekly candle closes. This right here, guys, is a good sign. We can possibly see 1500 by tomorrow. So let's look on the short term or the smaller time frames. Look at the 1 hour, guys. You guys could see earlier at night we did have a pullback. You guys can see we were in the oversold, and then we just took off right here. As you guys can see, we saw a lot of upside. We saw Bitcoin or Ethereum go from 1,181 all the way up to 1,255. And then we've seen a little pullback right here, guys. And now we're up again. Just a couple hours ago, we have seen Bitcoin as high as 1,281. It broke through this resistance. I'm not talking about Bitcoin. I'm talking about Ethereum. As I said, guys, there's a good chance this inverse was a sign of a bull run short term, guys. I'm not talking about we're going to see Ethereum hit 4,000, 3,000. I'm talking about short term. So, guys, don't get too heated in the comments. But we must wait and see what happens in the next couple hours for Ethereum. Very, very important. If we want to continue to go up, we must see, for the next few hours, Ethereum continue moving up. If Ethereum continues to move up and we see green candles, yes, guys, that means there's a good chance Ethereum can hit 1,500. But if we start seeing, weak candles, not a lot of movement around this area, it's just, stale around this area, then we can see Ethereum, fall back down, get rejected, and this was a fake out, basically. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Now we're going on to Bitcoin. Yes, guys, as I said yesterday, we're looking at the 4 hour, and you guys can see right here, I did drop this rising wedge. And what does the rising wedge tell you? Well, it tells you that there's a 68% chance it's going to get rejected and fall back down. And there's a 32% chance that it's going to break through and we're going to see it go up. Right now, we are unsure. As of right now, it did break through this line right here. But this can definitely be a fake out. As you guys can see earlier in the day, yesterday, it was in the oversold. There was a pullback right here. But we've seen its way, move its way back up. And then now we've seen just a little pullback. And now we just seen it right here. Make its way back up little by little. As you guys can see. So now we're going to have to wait and see if it tests this resistance line of 22,714. Very, very important within the next few hours. We must see Bitcoin hit this. If not, we're probably going to see a rejection around this area and it's going to head back down. Very, very important to keep an eye out for Bitcoin. Yes, guys. As you guys can see. So those are just like some things to look out for Bitcoin and not crypto, Ethereum. Let's move on to some other altcoins like XRP, guys. As you guys can see, we're going to look on the shorter time frame, the 1 hour. This also broke through right here, as you guys can see. We're going to see what happens with XRP, guys. As you guys can see, we saw pullbacks, made its way back up, pullback, but we saw higher lows, as you guys could see. So we're going to see what happens. Right now, it did rise within the past few hours. It broke through. We're going to see if it breaks through the 38 resistance line around this area. So we got to make sure we keep an eye out for that one. And last but not least, Shiba Inu. Okay, guys, so as I said, Shiba Inu is going to end around 1184. I believe it's going to close the weekly candlestick around this area because it is very high already. Look how high it is. I told you guys to invest at this point. If you guys would have invested at this point, you would have made some money leveraging or just putting in money. You would have made 19% of your money. So yeah, with that said, this is DC Trading. If you haven't checked out my previous video, go check it out right now. As well as hit the like button, guys. Smash that like button. Very, very important. You guys do that. With that said, this is DC Trading. I will be back probably later today to update you guys on Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that stuff. With that said, guys, see you guys in the next video.